Shubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah konrat ke sangma ulong bagi Paidbah ki pasah ki jaka Khappud ke Meghalaya bat Assam ken ai Kaei ke Babha na ke Bynta ke Jong. Haba crunch kelat patai ku bor hak apwe terik nok pra arjar apwe. Hadin ke jingelang ke kenhun menteri has sekretariat konrat ulong bagi Paidbah ken syem ke Bynta Jong banjir cakeno kaliang kendan Meghalaya ne Assam. Ban ngi kaman ki Paidbah banjir bat benrai. Halor kini kecikali, lakadan kecing penankam, dah kebit na Assam, ban pa ikibriu bandan sekaliang ke Meghalaya, Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba tharai satya, bakadan kecing penbor, nangnu, namar kasyam kaman ke Paidbah banjir. Ulay thuru bah kini kisngi banwan, on sa ajing tip syusyu ke bathamai, habai day be kamat penbet pun. Ulaong ba mau bat Myntri Rangbah ke Assam, ulay beteng banyakran, bat hakini kisngi banwan. Ansai tu ling bakilat patai kubor ya kajing pentip ke badan kam habai day bat kani kamat.
I don't think it's possible to pressurize anybody in any way, and I mean, of course, people will make their choice, and we have left it to the people to express their concerns. So I don't think it's possible to pressurize people. People have been living in that area for a long time. They will decide what's best for them. So there may be concerns from the Assam government, but we are very much in touch. The Assam Chief Minister and myself have been speaking regularly. We even spoke today also. And we will be, of course, informing you much more maybe in a day or two. So I will not be able to say much right now. But in a day or two, I will again come out with a press note or something or a statement, and we'll keep you updated. But as I said, to answer your question specifically, it may be a matter of concern, but definitely it's not possible for us to really influence anybody. There's their own choice, and they'll make their own choice about that. But again, when you look at the entire process of the solution, this is only one factor, and we are looking at many other factors that are there. And it's not that one factor is more important than the other. We just are looking at it in a way so that we can use different factors to really give a new approach to the entire process of solution. So let us wait and see how things go, and as I said, in a day or two I'll come back to you regarding this matter again.